When you have so many good things going for you, be grateful. Of all those, the Lord may inspire you to focus on just one thing through which all others will be a true blessing to many more people. This is what I see as singularity of purpose in your blessings. Some blessings act as a thread to others. Find out that core which gives life to others of your blessings. Find out that center where your true peace is found. Hold it precious, build around it, and continue to expand it. God love you. God bless you. If you've been inspired, please like, share, subscribe, make comments, spread the word, and send us your feedback. Thank you.